Thanksgiving dinner. Reading and listening. Number 3. Thanksgiving Day is a holiday in Canada. It is on the second Monday in October. People spend time with their families. Thanksgiving dinner is very special. They cook a big Thanksgiving dinner. They cook roasted turkey. Roasted turkey is the most important part of the dinner. They eat cranberry sauce, pumpkin pie, pumpkin gravy, and mashed potatoes. It is their family day. They spend quality time with their families. Canadians grow vegetables in spring and summer. Now they have enough food because they have the fall harvest. They celebrate their fall harvest. This day helps everyone to think positively. Canadians are thankful for everything they have. They write cards and exchange gifts. It is the day to remind us how many things do people have to be happy. Let's stop complaining. Let's always think positively how lucky we are. Let's be grateful for what we have. Let's celebrate even a little accomplishment. It keeps you happy. Happy Thanksgiving! Listen and practice and try to pause the video and learn to read.